Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, if you've seen my food review playlist, you know I like to try different foods. And so I watch a lot of food channels, a lot of travel food channels. One of the channels I discovered a few months back was the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla, Jeff and Tammi. Their comments kind of all over the place and kind of like mine. And they like to try different foods. And I've tried the different noodles. I tried the Packy chip. So I thought it would be fun to get together and do some type of collaboration. So initially we were talking back and forth. I was thinking of weird stuff, maybe some kind of insects. I did find some tarantulas, but they were 25 bucks a piece. And so I just went to Amazon and hit Food Challenge, and it came up with these. These are Daebak ghost pepper chicken flavored noodles, and these are black noodles. I've seen other people eat these on YouTube. I haven't tried them yet, although I have. If you go back in my food review playlist, you'll see I did the world's hottest ramen, but to me it wasn't the hottest ramen. So it was hot. Anyway, we thought we'd do a collaboration, so we're gonna get together. I've never done a live, so I'm gonna do my first live. We're gonna do a shared live, and we are gonna collaborate with a food reviewer out of Australia. I'm gonna have his link in the description box along with Jeff and Tammi's link. So Jeff's video about these noodles should be airing today. I sent him 2 of these, so him and Tammi, if they want to both try it, can try it. So we are going to we're going to communicate this weekend, which will be this past weekend when you see this, to figure out how exactly we're going to do this. But we're going to try to get on a live, prepare our noodles, and then eat these all together on camera. And if you guys want to join in on the fun, if you're daring, or you just want to watch, I'm going to have a link down below to these noodles, and this will give you plenty of time to get your own noodles. It only took 2 days on Amazon to get them. It was, I forgot the price. Anyway, you could kind of check it out. So I thought this would be kind of a good way to have fun with YouTube, especially some of the folks that I've met in the community. And let's take a look at these noodles. Now was also a TikTok challenge. These are Daebak dry black noodles. So this is going to be more of a chow mein rather than a soupy ramen. No artificial colors. Flamin' spicy chicken madness. All right, so it has a Scoville heat unit for peppers on the side, putting the ghost pepper at 1 million. And let's see, it's got a warning label here. It says, number 1, eat it. Empty the ghost pepper spicy chicken cup into your stomach. 2, survive it. Take a video of you struggling to finish the whole cup. 3, announce it. Post it and tag at Daebak Noodles on social media and include the hashtag can or not challenge to be chosen as a lucky winner. Pray hard and visit them on Facebook, Instagram, Daebak Noodles for more details. Do you fear the ghost pepper? Take the dare and challenge other souls into the depths of spiciness. Eat at your own risk. Hashtag can or not challenge. All right, so anyway, we're going to figure out how we're going to orchestrate this. But 2 weeks from tonight, and we'll put out another notification. We're going to do a shared live, and we're going to eat these on camera. We would like all those daring souls who want to participate, go ahead and order your noodles. and let's just kind of have some fun and see what happens. All right, again, I'll have links to the other channels that we know of that are going to participate. Go ahead and subscribe, check out their content, and subscribe, like, hit the bell notification icon. Doesn't matter if you want to subscribe to me or not. Just hit the notification button, and that way you'll be notified when we plan on doing the live consumption of these Daebak noodles. All right, folks, I hope that was clear as mud. I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.